Assalamualaikum, welcome to EngineerComic for your imagination. Today, this is our project. Today, I wanted to make this three residential hall with the pillar like before. So we have know how to do that in previous videos. So I wanted to skip this point. Now I wanted to make this small circle in the middle of two whole of it with the linear pattern I mean, and it is like this. We make the distance between each of them 146.05. Click this pattern, this circle, copy it in the horizontal direction. Now we need to make something like attachment from this part. So I wanted to make it like horizontal. At first I wanted to make horizontal from this plane with the dimension like this, like I saw you in these videos. In this video, I made this 50.8 for this size, and then I wanted to make it another side, and this is like this 19.30. No, it's too long. I wanted to make it 19 millimeter 0.00, and we make this distance. It is 38.1 for this distance. So it is like as usual. I wanted to make the extra bus. So at first I will take a while for make this distance 9.52. Okay, and then as I said before, I wanted to make the extra bus with the height. I wanted to make this white. Oh, wait a second. What a while. 22.23 for the white of it. And this is the stencil. Okay guys, next I wanted to draw the circle that I used the half of the circle to make like something like attachment for each part of it. It is we need that to make assembly as the assembly step of it. Okay, I start from drawing a circle from this mid this center, I mean this middle side, with the diameter 25.4 and extra bus from this point. I make the extra bus through all. Okay. Okay guys, this is the end of my videos. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my video and see you on the next part of this project.